We are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good evening again here sa Pinas, wherever you are tuning in. To those who will watch later or will watch the replay, thank you, thank you, thank you. So welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Their business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So it's Monday again, and I'm so glad that I am here for episode 19, entitled Series 19, entitled The Hidden Weight of Money Worries. So whether you are a hardworking OFW, a stay-at-home mom, juggling everything, or someone who's retired but still thinking about what's next. So tonight, let's talk about something we all feel but rarely admit. That feeling of always thinking about money, even when you're not spending it, even when you're not earning, or even when you're trying to relax, trying to sleep, trying to enjoy time with your family, parang may background noise sa utak mo all the time. May pambayad ba ako sa utang? Enough ba tong sweldo ko? Paano pag nagka-emergency? Paano if may nagkasakit sa family or nagkasakit ako? Pa makakatapos ba yung mga anak ko sa college? May matitira pa ba sa retirement ko? You're not alone. That's what financial anxiety looks like. And it's real. It silently steals your peace, your joy, even your health. But here's the truth. We can't wait for more money to feel secure. We need to create a new income path, one that grows with us, not control us. That's why I started this digital business, not because expert na ako, but because I needed a system that works even when I'm not working, resting, or spending time with my kids. I needed a new chapter, and I had to write it myself. Imagine this, an income, an income stream where you can build from your phone or laptop, a global business that you can do kahit nasa abroad ka, a supportive community, training and mentorship, and most of all, a purpose bigger than money. So mga kakwento, uh, let's let's um let's let me say this tonight. If buwan-buwan if buwan-buwan kang may utang, every month na lang you have debts, maybe it's time to pause and think, ilang taon ko pa ba gustong ganito? So, alam mo yon yung feeling na every month meron kang binabayarang utang, tapos every month hindi natatapos bayaran yung utang. So, hanggang kailan kaya ganito? Hanggang kailan natin gusto yung ganoon, di ba? So, maybe it's time to start your journey to a side hustle. So, you can plant today and harvest something better tomorrow. I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm here to remind you you're allowed to want more. More peace, more time, more freedom. Because hindi lang bills ang deserve mong bayaran. You deserve to live too. So, kung sawa ka na sa takot, pagod ka na palagi na lang kulang, let's talk, message me. You have options, you have time, and you have someone who's been in your shoes, cheering you on. So thank you for spending time with me again tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you want to learn more or naku-curious kayo kung paano ba yung business namin, you can message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email. Good night and God bless us all. Bye!